guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shiny and today I will give you the review of the collection of kajal I have. I have the collection of this amount of kajal I have. Kajal pencil and liner, all this. So first I am going to show you the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's extra dark, super black. The Maybelline Colossal Kajal is really good kajal. Actually, it's stay and it's really very dark kajal. So you can see the darkness, and it's also last for long. Next, I am going to give you the review, and the kajal price is near about 175, I guess. 175. Yes. So next, I will give you the review of Lakme Iconic. Lakme Iconic, this is the blue color. The shimmering, little shimmering blue. So Lakme Iconic Kajal is also nice kajal. ये भी लगभग आपका 200 under 200 आ जाएगा. And then I am going to show you liner, Oriflame. This liner, this is Wonder Liner. And this liner is the best liner I have ever used, because ये देखिए, ये लाइनर की तरह नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली एक कर्व है, ये एक कर्व की तरह है. सो यूज करने में बहुत अच्छा होता है, एंड इट इज लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ऑल्सो, एंड द कलर इज जस्ट लाइक काजल. आई मीन आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस लाइनर no one can understand, I mean no one can guess that आपने लाइनर लगाया है या काजल. ये काजल की तरह इफेक्ट देता है. So this is the Wonderline Oriflame liner. Next I am going to show you the shimmering L'Oreal का. This is, the color is green. L'Oreal का ये जो पेंसिल है, दिस इज वेरी गुड एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ऑल्सो, बट ये शिमरिंग है इसलिए मैं डेली लाइफ में यूज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. ये पार्टी वर्क के लिए या फिर कहीं घूमने जाने के लिए अच्छा होता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड. सो दिस कॉस्ट आई गेस 375, 400, under 400. So next I am going to show you another shimmering pencil of mine. This is also blue, sky blue, yes, sky shimmering. This is I use with any blue dress or the jeans or blue top. This match actually. So this is only 30 rupees. This is I purchased from Esplanade. वो जो फुटपाथ में दुकान होता है ना, वो उसमें से. दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड एक्चुअली. इट्स पॉकेट फ्रेंडली एंड गुड वन ऑल्सो. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम कलेक्शन ऑफ माई पेंसिल, बट दिस इज नॉट फ्रॉम हियर. एक्चुअली दिस इज फ्रॉम एडिनबर्ग. ऑल दिस कलर, all this is the color collection of color. Actually I get it from one of my relative, my Mosi. So she stays at Edinburgh, and really the quality of this pencil is really good. So this is actually Pixie by Petra, the company name. This is very good, and the color is there was a packet, and under I mean into the pouch I got this white color, and the black is really very dark. It just got finished. And next one, this is this gray color. This is also very nice, very very nice. And this one is brown. This is also nice color. Actually, both of this color I use rarely because it really actually it cannot I cannot use this one in daylight, so I use this rarely. But this color, this both of this color is very nice. So this is the name is, I told, this is Pixie by Petra, the company names. And next I am going to show you Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner by Maybelline. Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner, I have two color. Yes, one is black and one is blue. So this liner specialty is this will give you a glossy effect. You can see glossy effect, liner with glossy effect. Very good. I like this one, and this is also long lasting, very good quality. And next one is one of Oriflame Kajal. Also you can get this one, this type of kajal by Lakme also. This one is just normal kajal, 150 rupees, 150 rupees. Another one is I get it from Esplanade. This one is also blue liner. This one is also good. And this one is by Attitude. This color, Sky. This is also shimmering color, so I'm not going to switch again. And the best pocket friendly kajal is NY Bay. NY Bay का ये जो काजल है ना, this is really good, and I'm searching it. This is really very smooth, and it's dark also, and it's long lasting, and also pocket friendly. It's only actually I got it from Papal.com. तब actually discount चल रहा था, and I just got it by I guess 150 or under 150. Yes. So it's very pocket friendly, and it's very nice and very good quality. So friends, you just please use this kajal, and give me also, you people give me the review under my comment box that what is the quality, how I mean आपको कैसा लगा, and you just give your review to me. I really like this Kajal pencil. It's very pocket friendly and it's very good quality. And last but not the least, that is Maybelline gel liner. It's very good, one of my best kajal ever. This one. And with this, you will get this brush. You just put this brush over here and draw the line. It's really good kajal. After wearing this, it actually stays for a long time, and also the quality is very good, very like dark effect, and you can also use this also to create the smoky look, smudge free. Definitely smudge free, and you can create the smudgy effect with smoky look. It's really very good. The price is near about 350, 400. Actually, forget the price. So guys, this was the review of all the collection of my kajal. So आपको कैसा लगा? Please बताइए. मेरा वीडियो एक्चुअली मैं रिव्यू देती हूँ हर एक वीडियो में। मेरा ग्लैमिगो बॉक्स का भी वीडियो होता है, मेरा लिपस्टिक का वीडियो होता है, मेरा काजल का वीडियो तो आज आपने देखा। तो ये जो रिव्यू वीडियो मैं दे रही हूँ ये आपको कैसे लग रहे हैं वो आप बताइए मुझे। मेरा फेसबुक आईडी है, मेरा फेसबुक का ब्लॉग पेज है, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम में अकाउंट्स है, मेरा जीमेल अकाउंट है। तो गाइस प्लीज कम टू माय फेसबुक, पिंग मी or send me email to give your view, or you can also comment under my comment box. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगा मेरा वीडियो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। एंड आपको सब्सक्राइब करने से कोई पैसा नहीं लगेगा, इट्स टोटली फ्री। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल just now, just click the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the bell button, क्योंकि बेल बटन दबाने से आपको मेरा हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास आ जाएगा। सो यू विल गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ माई वीडियो एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू, नमस्ते, आज के लिए बाय।